friends, welcome back to your channel Bowerspace. Hope you all are doing good. It's been a really long time that I have uploaded any video. Now I had got a few messages asking me the reason. Now here you go. I had my parents coming over for about a month and I did not want to spend any time other than being with them, and uploading a YouTube video would definitely call for a lot of work other than being around with them. So friends, in the meanwhile, while my mom was around, we did my balcony makeover. In fact, it's not we, but she was the one who really helped me do the entire balcony makeover, and it came out so pretty. So I decided to do this video and show you some of those really small little tips that can help you do your balcony well, and without the help of any professional, being under a budget. So friends, without much delay, let's get started. Don't forget to like this video. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't done that yet. Please do pour in your comments. It means a lot to me. And without much delay, let's get started.
Remember to start off by cleaning up the entire area. Keeping it blank will help you to visualize what you want to do with the space. Most balconies come with some kind of a boundary wall or a parapet wall. In case your balcony doesn't have one, try to create a little wall around that area. In my case, I did that to protect any outside dust from coming into the balcony. If your balcony is at a higher floor, it will prevent soil or water to accidentally fall on the other lower balconies. Now, before you head out to buy random things, make sure to have a plan. Visualize what you really want to do with your balcony. Then buy all the necessary items like pots, planters, soil, etc. ready. Now, if you have plenty of space to mix the soil elsewhere, never mind. But if you have a space restriction, I recommend that you mix the soil first to avoid soiling any kind of a fresh arrangement. I suggest you choose the main planters wisely and make sure that the size fits your space. Now try to use pebbles or decorative stones to create a little separation from the sitting area. It will immensely enhance the look of your balcony. Now just a quick tip, you could use pretty little borders like these to prevent the pebbles from spreading all over the place. To kill the monotony, use planters of different shapes or varieties. There is a really large variety of vertical planters available in the market that can let you use your vertical space in the balcony. Now, some of these things you can take the help of a local fabricator or a carpenter to get it done. Friends, if you have a budget and if you think you will be able to maintain natural grass, nothing like it, go for it. But if not, using artificial turfs are hassle-free and really easy maintenance. You could wash them or clean them with a vacuum cleaner. Try to upcycle things at home which you may not want to throw away. I have used this old little stool to add elements of decor in my little balcony garden. Now friends, you can try to add a few elements of decor like succulents, miniatures, a bit of lighting, etc. to make your balcony feel like a cozy space. Friends, a good set of chairs will give you the much needed comfort and a relaxed atmosphere at the end of a tiring day. And if it is bright and cheerful, the makeover looks perfect. So friends, I hope you really liked the makeover and you found all the tips that I have given you useful. Before I sign off, I wish to share a few pictures of my parents' balcony at their home in Bangalore. This is mainly to give you an idea of how you can manage to make the smallest of a balcony a cozy little den. So friends, I leave you with these pictures and I really hope you liked today's video. Thanks a lot for watching, and until the next time, be organized, be productive, be creative and be happy. Bye bye.